Yeah. So this is 11th July. Banking. What is that? Banking frontline. Please read Niharika. Headlines only.
Okay,
Loudly.
sir. Government to begin open market sale of wheat and rice from August 1.
Second question. Second.
India's path to economic success lies in powering service sector, said said RBI Governor Raghuram Ranjan.
n- Not RBI governor. Former governor.
Okay.
Yeah. Next.
Seafood exporters in troubled waters as shipping freight rates see 5 times surge.
Oh. Okay. Continue.
Hmm, so it's not this. Four PSU banks pay rupees 6,481 crore dividend to government.
So you are doing with a cell phone.
No,
Uh,
sir, laptop.
why you are taking so much time? Please read. Four public sector
Sir,
banks.
four public sector banks, including Canara Bank and Indian Bank, on Wednesday presented dividend checks worth rupees 6,481 crore to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for financial year 23-24, and Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman received a dividend check of rupees 2,514 crore for financial year 24 from Shri Devadatta Chand, MD and CEO of Bank of Baroda.
Please
The
note.
Finance Ministry said.
Please note these names. Devadatta Chand, Managing Director, CEO of Bank of Baroda. Continue.
Similarly, a dividend check of rupees 1,838 crore was handed over by Canara Bank MD and CEO K. Satyanarayana Raju. Chennai-based
Satyanarayana
Indian
Raju.
Bank paid a dividend.
Yeah. Mm.
Chennai-based Indian Bank paid a dividend check of rupees 1,193 crore for financial year 24. Bank of India too paid a dividend of rupees 935 crore, and the check was presented by its MD and CEO Rajneesh Karnatak.
Rajanish Karnataka is Bank of India. Satyanarayana Raju. Sometimes they ask these questions for freshers. Can you tell the names of four public sector banks, their MD and CEO? So I would request you to go through the Google and get the names of 12 public sector banks and their CEO. Also names of HDFC CEO, ICICI Bank CEO, Axis Bank CEO, because they are the top three. Of course, Kotak Mahindra Yes Bank also is there. You can know about it. Continue, Nigarika.
RBI expense liberalized remittance scheme norms for investment via GIFT IFSC. UPI top choice to make digital payments. 90% consumers favor digital transactions, says report. RBI permits banks to use ratings of brickwork ratings subject to conditions.
See, this is also one of the credit rating company, Brickwork Ratings, wherein Canara Bank and others, they have got major shares. But their ratings were stopped by our Reserve Bank. Now they have removed that ban on that one. Next, Akanksha, you are there now? Akanksha.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please, please read. Akanksha, you are from which state? I am forgetting.
Sir, I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Arey Baba, same Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh mein
Yes.
Gorakhpur. That Gorakhpur.
No, sir. No, sir.
Uh,
From Pragraj.
प्रयागराज का importance क्या है? What is प्रयागराज?
Sir, Pragraj is one of the mythological and holistic cities in India. It is basically famous for Sangam, where Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati, three rivers, are connected.
Oh,
Basically, this is the main priority of
excellent, excellent. You
Pragraj.
are all lucky. You are lucky. You are lucky to be
Yes,
in
sir.
a very, very holy place. God bless you.
Yes, sir.
Please
Thank you.
read. Please read.
Sir, SCI NMDC Steel at advanced stages of strategic sale await nod from PMO.
Please read again. SCI.
SCI NMDC Steel at advanced stages of strategic sale await nod from PMO.
I don't know what it is. Why don't we read this? The government's disinvestment.
Okay. The government's disinvestment agenda is very much on, if at an unsteady pace, according to a senior government official. Some public sector undertakings are at an advanced stage of strategic sale but are awaiting the nod from the top political levels, the official said. While the government has decided to not set divestment targets to chase in the budget, DIPAM, or the Finance Ministry's Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, is hoping to push through strategic sales in companies like Shipping Corporation of India and NMDC Steel Limited. NMDC Steel's strategic sale is at an advanced stage. All the work is done. Only financial bids need to be invited. It's a ripe case for privatization. The government can do it, but without a go ahead from PMO, nothing will happen. There is uncertainty. The official told Money Control on condition of anonymity. The NSL divestment is fraught with political challenges. Workers' unions have been opposed to the move. The company employs 5,887 people and has rupees 36,929 crore of assets.
Continue. Headlines.
Labor Ministry revolves in employment dispute between Paytm and employees.
Please read again.
Labor Ministry revolves employment dispute between Paytm and employees.
Please read again.
Labor Ministry resolves, sorry sir, Labor Ministry resolves employment dispute between Paytm and employees.
Yeah. Continue.
Regulatory and development news. Central government staff may get 50% of last pay drawn as pension under NPS.
Oh, good. Excellent. Continue.
Retail inflation for industrial workers eases to 3.86% in May.
Please read this. This is important. Retail inflation.
Retail inflation for industrial workers eased to 3.86% in May compared to 4.42% in the same month a year ago. The consumer price index industrial workers was 3.87% in April 2024. A Labor Ministry statement said the All India CPI IW for May 2024 increased by 0.5 points and stood at 139.9 points. It was 139.4 points in April 2024. The Labour Bureau, an attached office of the Ministry of Labour and Employment, has been compiling the consumer price index for industrial workers every month on the basis of retail prices collected from 317 markets spread over 88 industrially important centers in the country.
Please read.
Shall I read key indices?
Yeah, as usual. Every day we used to read this. Read.
RBI key rates. Repo rate is 6.5%. SDF is 6.25%. MSF and bank rate is 6.75%. CRR is 4.5% and SLR is 18%.
Then
Forex
US,
is in
US dollar is equal to 83.49.
83.49.23.
No, 23 is not required. Just well,
Okay,
first
sir.
two digits.
83.49.
Then pound sterling.
Sir, pound sterling is 106.80.
Euro.
Euro is 90.32.
100 Japanese yen is equal to
51.72.
what was the Sensex Bombay Stock Exchange?
Sensex is 79,924.77.
Nifty.
Nifty is 24,324.45.
We need not remember point and all that. Simply 79,924. Or you can say approximately 79,900 also. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
we
thank you, sir.